I live in a house that was built in 1907, and I've been trying to make some upgrades to it over the years that I've lived here. This is what the kitchen looked like when I first moved in. It was painted like a seafoam green color. It's very outdated. So when I first moved in, I painted it the brightest color I could find, this orange color. But I grew tired of that a few years ago and changed it to this teal and painted the cabinets a dark color, which after a while I realized I didn't care for it. Plus, in addition to that, the previous owners had put a toilet in the pantry right off of the kitchen, which always grossed me out. They were trying to make a makeshift bathroom. So I decided that I was going to take that out, and then while I was at it, I would just redo the entire kitchen and pantry and make it a usable pantry again. So as you can see, I have taken the toilet out and built a countertop over where the toilet used to be. And all that was just leading up to show you my new kitchen makeover. This is what it looks like now. I painted the cabinets a white color, and then I used a faux glaze to kind of give them an aged look. I got these shelves off of the internet that just attached to your window so I could put my herb pots in the window. And I put a new backsplash in. It's a stainless steel peel and stick backsplash that I really love. Also got some new appliances, some stainless steel appliances. And here is my new usable pantry. I painted the cabinets in here the same, I put the same backsplash up. And I had no pot storage at all, so I used these coat hooks on the wall to hang my pots and pans and all my lids. And I got these pipes off of the internet as well, and just cut boards to make some shelves to go here in the corner. But that left me with a blank area between my pantry door and the entry to my dining room that I thought needed some kind of artwork or something. Started out with a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree, basically. I got 3 8x10 frames and 3 8x10 canvases and some flatware. I just painted the canvases a black color. The frames I painted white. And the silverware as well, painted that white too. Once everything was dry, I used the same faux glaze that I'd used on the cabinets to give everything kind of an aged antique look. I just took the flatware and painted a layer of glaze right over the top of it. Once I had an even layer painted all the way over it, I just took a wet towel, and just wiped it back off of the surface again. Just kind of leaving it in the crevices and the detailing on the handles. And I did the same thing to the frames to make the detail on the edge of the frame stand out a little bit better. So I just painted a layer over that. And then wiped it back off as well. Once that was all dry, I just put the canvas into the frame, leaving the glass out of it. It didn't need the glass anymore, so I left that out, put the canvas in, and put the back on as well. Flipped it over, and then figured out where I wanted my flatware to go. Once I had it all spaced out, I just took a hot glue gun and just glued them straight to the canvas. And I just repeated the process with all 3 of the forks, and then the spoons and the knives as well on each of the other canvases. And there's the final product. I think it fills out the wall pretty nicely.